5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire!
Bus 27, adjust your approach vector 3 degrees southern.
Roger, Mars. Adjusting approach.
Welcome to the Air Force Starbase La Luz Mars On-Site Laser Development Mission 2004, where 5th graders from around the state of New Mexico participate in a positive learning experience using space exploration as a theme. The Air Force Research Laboratory has been sponsoring the Mars missions flight since 1994. This project is based on the Challenger Center's Marsville the Cosmic Village and has been modified to include Air Force technologies and terminologies. Each year's mission has a different theme. This year's theme is the Mars On-Site Laser Development Mission. The Air Force Starbase La Luz Mars On-Site Laser Development Mission is the largest Marsville event in the world. The purpose of the Mars missions flight is to encourage elementary school students to pursue studies in math, science, and engineering. This is accomplished by providing them with team-oriented, fun, hands-on experiences in a variety of content areas such as math, science, engineering, communication, music, and art. Teams of students must work together to creatively solve problems they might encounter in foreign environments such as Mars and space. This year, 4 separate Mars On-Site Laser Development Mission events took place. Teachers and students from schools throughout New Mexico came together to attend Link-Up Day events at Cannon Air Force Base, Holloman Air Force Base, Kirtland Air Force Base, and Kirtland, New Mexico. After attending an extensive day-long training session in October, teachers are asked to incorporate the Mars mission's flight components into their classroom curriculum. Beginning in mid-November, students research Mars facts, design life support systems, plan their lunches, create mission patches, coordinate classroom uniforms, compose sagas, and telecommunicate with their assigned teams from other schools in anticipation of Link-Up Day. For the culminating Link-Up Day event in the spring, over 80 schools, 160 teachers, and 2,700 students come together as they travel to Mars to create a classroom-based colonization of life support systems and habitats. The Link-Up Day portion of the mission begins in the morning with the journey from their school on Earth to their Link-Up site on Mars. The arrival procedures include a series of holding stations to ensure that each team has the required materials and supplies for the mission. As student teams progress through each holding station, they are awarded points on their team mission log.
Plastic Habitat Thesis Station.
Each team is assigned an A, B, or C designation prior to the Link-Up Day event. Based on this designation, teams measure, cut, and label 3 predetermined habitat pieces at their schools, and then bring those habitat pieces with them to Mars.
Life Support System Model Station.
Each team is tasked with designing and building a scale model of a life support system to sustain life on Mars. In the design process, students must incorporate 4 Mars facts that they've determined will influence the operation of their particular system. Classroom teachers select one of 8 different life support systems that their students will work on: air supply, communication, food production and delivery, recreation, temperature control, transportation, waste management, or water supply.
Life Support System Briefing Station.
Each team gives a 3-minute presentation about their life support system model and how it incorporates the 4 Mars facts they identified in the design process. The presentation includes a riddle for audience members to answer and an explanation of each team's mission patch.
Telecommunication and Uniform Station.
Each team is required to telecommunicate with the 2 other teams from different schools assigned to their habitat crew. Each communication must be recorded on separate telecommunications templates, which are brought with them to Mars. Teams also design and wear a link-up day uniform that can include matching shirts and pants, team mission patches, and headgear.
Lunch Weigh-In Station.
Each team's lunch has to meet specific nutrition, packaging, and weight requirements. As part of this mission component, students must consider and evaluate various waste and packaging options. To minimize waste, the lunch payload will also be weighed after eating to assure their waste meets the requirement.
Saga Performance Station.
A unique feature of the Air Force Starbase La Luz Mars missions flight is the saga. Students are asked to use their musical skills to document their imaginary journey from their classroom to Mars. Let's listen to a few.
From the sun, it is so hot. You will burn up. We're going to Mars to look at the stars. We're going to Mars to see. Does it make sense? Cause this is what the planet is red and ours is dumb. So much to do, so much to see. What's wrong with living on a planet? This is the end of our song. No, too bad we have to go. Hey!
After completing the holding station checkpoints, student teams are escorted to their colony habitat sites to meet their flight director and habitat crew. The 3 teams from different schools that meet face-to-face on Link Up Day for the first time now join forces to form a habitat crew. Assisting the 5th grade colonists are Air Force Starbase La Luz PETS mentors. These are middle school students who are participating in another flight sponsored by the Air Force Research Laboratory. These mentors have had experience as Mars colonizers in the past and are assigned to various mission control stations such as lunch weigh-in and mission log validation. The PETS mentors also provide valuable and timely hands-on troubleshooting support to the Mars colony teams needing assistance. The next phase of the Link Up Day event is habitat construction. The colony commanders announce the official habitat construction start time to the flight directors in each of the various colonies. The flight directors then put their habitat crews to work. Each crew must work together to build a life-size habitat using the pre-cut plastic habitat pieces they brought with them to Mars. The crews connect the plastic pieces using gray tape and inflate the structure with a standard box fan. Colonies are given 1 hour for the habitat construction. As you can see, the student crews met their time requirement. Now it's time to move into the habitats and have lunch on Mars. When lunch is finished, each team will take their uneaten food and packaging waste to the lunch weigh-in station to have the results recorded on their team mission log. Then, teams total all the points they have received and have their team mission logs validated by Mission Control. The last phase of the mission is the official habitat link-up and colony exploration. Colony commanders will instruct the flight directors in their colony to cut the openings to the tunnels that are taped to the habitats and will connect the colony. Once the tunnel openings are cut, invited guests and Mars colonists are able to visit the habitats in the colony without being exposed to the harsh Martian environment. This year's Air Force Starbase La Luz Mars missions flight is a huge success. This success is due in part to the commitment and sacrifices of the teachers and parents. To learn more about the Air Force Starbase La Luz Mars Missions flight or other flights for middle school and high school students, please call the Air Force Starbase La Luz Academy at 505-846-6936.